Chalo, let's start by taking deep inhales and slow exhales, everybody. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly through your mouth. Sit comfortably. Every day, it's been a month. How to sit, I have taught you all many times. No resting on the table. See, even I have a table in front of me. If I want, I can take, keep my hands on this every time. But when I'm sitting like this, I'm blocking what? My diaphragm. I'm not allowing my diaphragm to open up. Right? Now sit straight, go back, hands in chin mudra when you are sitting in the chair. If you are sitting in the cot or if you're sitting down, then your hands should be like this, one above the other. So now, if you're sitting with the folded legs, hands one above the other. But if you are sitting on a chair or in the chair, hands on your thighs, palms facing the ceiling in Chin Mudra. Let's begin taking deep inhales and slow exhales. Inhale deeply. Fill your belly with the air and exhale slowly through your mouth. Good evening, Arnam.
Good evening, ma'am.
Inhale deeply and exhale slowly through your mouth. Once again, inhale deeply, bulge your belly out, hold, and exhale through your mouth. Inhale, belly out, hold, exhale through your mouth. Amazing. Now let's do the next pranayama. We will do Bhastrika, hands up. We will do total 21 rounds of Bhastrika relaxedly. Inhale and exhale, bringing your hands down. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Relax. Started to feeling hot? Relax. Now, next pranayama, we will inhale in, hold, and then look up, come back, exhale. Okay? So, once again, inhale in, blow your mouth like a balloon, bubble, look up, come back, exhale. Let's do it. Inhale, come back, exhale through your nose. Inhale, blow your mouth, look up, come back, exhale through your nose. Relax, relax. And now we will do next variation of Anulom Vilom. So make this mudra Right thumb on your right nostril and ring finger on your left nostril. Exhale completely through your right nostril. Now inhale through right. Hold. One, two, three, four, five. Exhale through left. Now inhale through left. Close both. Hold. One, two, three, four, five. Exhale through your right. Inhale through right. Hold. One, two, three, four, five. Exhale through left. Now inhale through left. Hold. One, two, three, four, five. Exhale through your right. Wake up your hand. Relax. Relax completely. Now, next pranayama, we will do Brahmari. Close both of your ears. Index fingers on your forehead, other fingers lightly, gently resting on your nose. Inhale deeply. Exhale, making a ma sound. Inhale deeply. Hold. Exhale, making a ma sound. Inhale deeply. And now exhale, making a ma sound. Inhale deeply. Exhale, making a ma sound once again. Inhale deeply and release. Relax. Blink, open your eyes. Every time when you close your eyes, put your fingers on your eyes. Just put gently. Okay, don't put tightly. Just gently. Okay, clear. Now let's do the eye exercises. Let's begin by making a V. Look up to your right, then down, then up to your left. Okay, let's start. Up, right, down, left up, down, right up, down, left up, down, right up, down, left up, down. And now let's make a reverse V. So what we are going to do, we will look down to our right side, then center up, and then down to the left. Let's start. Right down, center, left down, center, right down, up, left down, up, right down, up, left down, up, relax. Relax. And now let's flip. Blink your eyes. We are not blinking the eyes as much as it is required. Relax. And now we will rotate our eyes. Let's begin by looking down and then to our left side, which is clockwise. Let's start. Look to your down, then left, up, right, down, left, up, right, down. Rotate your eyeballs. Left, up, right, down. Now let's begin with the next round. Anti-clockwise. Down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, and then down. Relax. Smiling always. We are doing meditation here, we are enjoying the meditation. So we should carry the smile all the time. Isn't it, children? A very good trait of you all and trait of all of us. Meaning, when you keep smiling, people feel good about you. You want people to think that and they should feel good about you. Yeah? Then what they're going to say, oh, Anna is a very beautiful girl having a nice smile. Same Harshini, same Akshansh, right? If you all continue to smile, people are going to say good things about you. Lovely children, I love your smile. So you want compliment from others? Yeah? Yes or no? Yes. Chalo. Now, next round, we will make infinity sound. Infinity round symbol. So let's begin from right side of your center eyesight and then up, take it up, and then center tip of the nose, then take it down to the left, roll it up to the right left, then again bring it back to the center of your nose, then take it down to the right, then up right, then bring it back to the center of your nose, and then left down, left up, coming back to the nose, and then complete. Now let's do it reverse. Now start with your nose, looking up to your nose, center, then go up to your left, roll it down, come back to the nose, up to the right, roll down to right, come back to nose, left down, left up, nose, then down to the right, up and back to your nose. Great. And this is how we create a infinity sign. Done? You all understood? Okay. Now, take your finger, stretch your hand, and we will be pointing to our thumb or finger. So, stretch your hand, and now only with the right hand we will take the eyes, focusing on the thumb, and then come back to the eyes. Once again, the right thumb. As you take the right thumb this side, inhale in. As you bring it back, exhale through your mouth down. Now let's practice with the left hand. Inhale, take your thumb that side, focusing by the eyes. Bring it back, exhale through your mouth. Once again, inhale, and eyes rotating, exhale, eyes, come back, inhale back, relax. Relax. Now let's do the Shitali Pranayama. Roll your tongue. Let's inhale. Hold. Now exhale through your nose. Inhale through your tongue. Hold. Exhale through your nose. Inhale through tongue. Exhale through nose. Great. Now let's start chanting Om Kara 5 times. Inhale. 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 Relax. Let's start Arham tapping, everybody. Om Arham Namaha. 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 Go ahead. Om Arham Namaha. Collarbone. Om Arham Namaha. Underarm. Om Arham Namaha. Other hand. Om Arham Namaha. Shoulder. Om Arham Namaha. Come on, next. Shoulder. Om Arham Namaha. And Om Arham Namaha. Om Arham Namaha. Arham meaning being merciful, being loving and caring towards oneself. And now let's start Karate chant. Om Arham Namaha. 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 Next one. Om Arham Namaha. 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 Now relax. Come on, let's activate our both hands. Let's clear. Ha 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 ha. One more time. Ha 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 ha. Last time. Ha 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 ha. अक्षांश हंसना भी होता है, हाँ हाँ भी बोलना होता है. Take another deep breath in, and as you breathe out, imagine letting go of any stress or worries. Relax, relax. Now take a moment to think three things about yourself. Maybe it's something you're really good at. Just now I told you all that you smile well. Or maybe you like to draw or singing or helping others. Make it, maybe it's a part of you, who you are actually. Like being kind, funny, or brave. It could even be something you love about your body. Like your smile, your hands, the way you behave with people. Think of three things right away. That's okay. Just start with one and let others come to you as we keep going. Now picture things you like about yourself growing and stronger. What if you want to grow as a painter? What if you want to become an army man or an army lady? Like little seeds turning into tall, beautiful trees. As you breathe in, imagine those qualities glowing brighter inside you. With every breath, feel them getting bigger and stronger. Now say to yourself, your mind, I am proud of who I am. I am proud of what makes me special. Feel good about these things. It's okay to smile or feel warm inside. You deserve it, children. Now imagine that proud feeling spreading all through your body like sunshine, warming you from head to toe. Feeling in your heart, your arms, legs, your toes. Imagine this warm, proud feeling wrapping you, enveloping you like a big, cozy hug. This feeling of feeling warm is now hugging you, enveloping you. Take a moment to say something kind to yourself in your mind silently. I am a good person. I am loved. I am enough just as I am. Say it to yourself a few times, like you're giving yourself a gift of kindness. And when you're ready, take a deep breath in. Feel everything exhaling every time without any reminders. Keep taking deep breaths in and exhaling slowly out the toxins from your body. Allow this kindness, this warmth radiating throughout your body and from your body throughout your environment. Feel great about it. You are the master of your own life. Take a deep breath in once again, bulging your belly out. Exhale through your mouth. Relax. Once again, repeat in your mind, I am a good person. I am loved. I am enough just as I am. Relax. Take a deep breath in. Exhale and become aware of your body and come back to your environment. And slowly begin to wiggle your fingers, your toes, roll your neck. Your shoulders. Take both of your arms and give a nice stretch to your body. And now rub both of your hands. And give this energy, this warmth to your face, to your head, and to your body. Namaste. Now you all can open your eyes. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. You all enjoy the session today? Yes? Okay, so let's connect tomorrow again. All right. Bye, Akshansh. Bye. Bye, everybody.
Bye, ma'am.